Music is better than people. But is it even worth it losing yourself to win someone's heart? Life is very expensive. Not everyone can afford it. Travel because money returns, time doesn't. A clear rejection is always better than a fake promise. Be loyal to your future, not your past. We may not talk, but I still care. Keep your struggle a secret until you succeed. Things and people change, life goes on. Real depression is when you stop loving the things you. Sometimes we lose people because we outlove them. Everything starts healing when you stop feeling. Sunsets are proof ending can be beautiful too. Pain changes people, some become rude, some become silent. The difference is I text you when I am busy and you text me only when you are free. Smile in every smile of your life. Even the moon becomes sad once in its journey to become whole. Trust, loyalty, and respect. If you lost one, you lost all three. I am trying to talk to you, but you don't care. Sometimes the best people come unexpected. Time has power, it will reveal the real ones.